Look at the beauty of pearls highlighted in the mini tote bag. Wow, lovely, decent looking, beauty in finishing, every single detailing. Wow, just awesome. Hang it on the wrist and go for shopping with your mini surprises inside. Wow, we will make it today. राधे राधे मित्रों, की हाल है तुझे? वेलकम टू माय चैनल। जिसको नहीं पता, जो मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं उनके लिए, माय नेम इज़ दीक्षा। वेलकम टू माय चैनल दीक्षा आर्टिस्ट्री। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक दिस ब्यूटीफुल mini tote bag. For this we have to take material, yarn, hook and scissor. After this we will make slip knot and chain 15. Just make chain 15 to make a base of this beautiful tote bag. After making chain 15, skip first chain and this one skip, and from second chain make single crochet in all the remaining chains. Let's practice together, make together, grow together. We will make single crochet in all the chains. After making all the single crochet in the last chain, we will make 3 single crochet in the same chain. 1, 2 and third single crochet. This will make a tiny curve, and then after that make all the single crochet other side in all the chain. After making single crochet all around, in the last chain make 3 single crochet in the same chain as we did before. We will increase sometime 3, sometime 2, sometime one another to make a curve. Round 1 complete. For round 2, make single crochet in all the stitches. Like this we will complete our one side, and in last chain we will make 2 single crochet in one stitch just to form the curve, first and second in the same stitch, like this. After that we will make single crochet in all the stitches. Like this. And then in last stitch we will make as before 2 single crochet. Please make sure everyone that if you will increase one side any stitch 1, 2, 3 whatever, then on the other side you have to make same increase, otherwise it will lie one side. Like this. In last stitch we will make 2 stitch, and in next stitch we will also make 2 stitches single crochet. Means in round 1 we have increased 3 single crochet, we made 3 single crochet in one stitch, then after 2 single crochet, and now in this we have made 2 single crochet in last change, and in next stitch also 2 single crochet in the stitch. Means together increment in 2 stitches, like this. In stitch 1 and in stitch 2, and in next stitch 1, and 2. Make sure your stitches are tight because this is velvet yarn, and in velvet yarn your stitches should be tight, especially in the making of base. Make stitches on all the make SC single crochet in all the stitches. Like this you will get the base. In last stitch make 2 single crochet, then make 1 single crochet, then in next stitch 1 single crochet, and then in last stitch again 2 single crochet. Means this is the increase of 2, then 1, 1, then 2, because the base is getting wider, so we have to adjust and increase as per the requirement. Now make SC in all the stitches. 2, 1, 1, 2. This is the increment here. Likewise we have to repeat. In last stitch 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 single crochet, then next stitch 1, then in next stitch 1, and in next stitch curve, last stitch of curve 2 single crochet, 1 and then 1, like this. Now make all the single crochet in all the stitches till the end of the round. Now in last stitch make 2 single crochet like this and make single crochet in all the stitches. After making stitches, in the last stitch make 2 single crochet like this, and rest make all the single crochet in all the stitches. Then in last stitch make 2 single crochet, 1 and then 2, and repeat as same. Make all the single crochet in all the stitches. Now in last stitch make 2 single crochet again, and make single crochet in all the stitches. Like this the base will be ready. If you want more bigger, then you can make more base as per your requirement. Now we will not increase anymore. We will make single crochet all around for 4 rounds. We will make 4 rounds likewise. No increment, only single crochet all around. We will get this desired result after making single crochet. Now we have to make the flat base. If we will continue like this, we will get the curvy type. So what we have to do, we have to take back loop only to fix it now. So for this we have to make a round using the back loop like this. This is your back loop. You have to take it and make single crochet. Only back loop. Focus on this. Only back loop. This one. And make single crochet using it. Be careful while making, because it is velvet yarn, you can skip the back and front. So make sure it should be back loop and be careful while making it. You have to complete like this all round. And we have to make only one row, one round of this back loop. After this, you have to make single crochet all around as per your desired height. What height you required, as per that, make single crochet all around. Like this. I want around 5 to 6 inches, so I have made this height. This is about 6 inch. This is enough for a mini tote bag, so that it can easily hang on your wrist. Now it's time to make a strap. For a strap, on side edge, make 4 single crochet. You don't have to separate the yarn. Just after achieving your height, make on one side of edge 4 single crochet and 1 chain like this. Then turn, and you have to work on 4 single crochet only. This is first single crochet, then second single crochet, then third single crochet, and then 4 single crochet. Then chain and turn your work. Then first single crochet, then second single crochet, then third single crochet, then 4 single crochet, chain 1. You have to repeat this till your desired length of the strap. But I suggest you make only thick strap, because the velvet yarn take when heavy load, it's the stitches get thinner or loose, so you have to take heavy strap for it, thick strap. Likewise, you will get the strap. It is still short, then I will make it long. I hope this mini tote bag pattern is easy for you and is as per your understanding. It is easy to understand basically. The strap height length is 11 inches, which is not too big and not too small. Easy to carry. Now we will attach with the join with the other edge using slip stitch like this. And rest after joining through slip stitch, we will make single crochet to join it like this. If you like my pattern, if you like this video, the way of detailing, the way of telling you the pattern, the way of knitting or crocheting, please do subscribe my channel. Love the way you support I appreciate it very much. Thank you so much to all for supporting me. Do share my video, like my video, and comment what you want in the next tutorial. Please comment. Like this, we have joined this strap. Now fasten off the yarn. Your mini tote bag is ready. If you want, you can use it like this. Cute, simple, durable, and easy to carry. You can keep it small stuff inside and hang it. But I want something to be attractive, so I use the beautiful pearls on it. I sew the pearls in it and it would like this. Beautiful. If you like this, please do subscribe my channel and comment me how do you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.